At the point when you are no longer companions with somebody, regard the mysterious they shared with you. It's called honesty. Everybody has three carries on with a public life, a confidential life, and a day-to-day existence. Stressing is an exercise in futility. Great and awful things occur in life. You simply need to continue to live and not pressure over what you have no control over. Not having the option to pardon somebody causes disdain, which prompts harshness, making an individual generally feel discouraged and exhausted. Never weep for the individual who harms you. Simply grin and say, "Thank you for giving me an opportunity to find somebody better than you." Overthinking makes the human brain make negative situations and additionally replay excruciating recollections. Each individual you find in dreams has come across once. In actuality, our cerebrum can't make faces.